Good morning, children. Welcome to the English session. Today, we shall learn how to write a notice. Now, what is a notice? A notice is a very short written piece of communication which is usually formal in style. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. You might have seen notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards either in schools or educational institutions or in public places. Notices issued by the government usually appear in newspapers. Now, few points to remember before preparing a notice. A notice should be written within a box. Only the most important points should be mentioned. All the relevant information must be included. The information should be short, clear, and grammatically accurate. You must avoid using personal pronouns. Try to use passive voice as far as possible. The word limit for a notice is 40 to 50 words. That is, it has to be as brief as possible. A well written notice must inform the readers about the 5 W's. First one, what is going to happen? That is the event. Second one, where it will take place? That is venue. Third one, when it will take place? That is the date and time. Fourth one, whom does it apply to? That is the eligibility. And last one, whom to contact or apply to? That is the contact person. Now let's analyze the format of a notice. A notice should be written in the following format. The name of the organization issuing the notice should come on the top. Then comes the title, notice, which has to be written in bold letters. Soon after that comes the date, which you have to write in this format itself. Then comes the heading, which will introduce the subject of the notice. After that, you start writing the body of the notice, in which you should include the name and nature of the topic, the occasion, venue, and date. Soon after that comes the writer's signature, name, which has to be in bold letters, and lastly, the designation of the writer. Now let's look at an example. Air Force Public School, Jammu is the name of the organization issuing the notice. Then comes notice, which has to be in block letters. Immediately after that comes the date, which has to be in this format, 20th October 2016. The date can be any date, but the format should be the same. Then comes the title, Excursion Tour to Goa. After that, you should start writing the body of the notice, that is the content, in which you should include the name and nature, occasion, venue, and date. Soon after the content comes the signature. Immediately after that comes the name of the writer and then the designation. Thus, we have come to the end of the session. Thank you and have a nice day.